Here's a quick agile nudge, and really is to explain the difference between a Kaizen coach and a project coordinator. So as you know, our practice is changing its name from the agile practice, which has been disbanded, into the tactical delivery practice, and the Scrum Masters are going to become Kaizen coaches. But also within our practice we have Nidhi. Nidhi's holding the phone at the moment, and Nidhi is a project coordinator. So we've been talking about the difference between a project coordinator and a Kaizen coach, because in Nidhi's case she's supporting a Scrum team and acting as a Scrum Master for a Scrum team in a project, and that's what Kaizen coaches do, so it's all a bit confusing. So allow me to explain the difference. In the case of the Kaizen coach, they are acting as a Scrum Master for a sticky team, a long-lasting, self-organising, co-located team. The emphasis of the Kaizen coach is to serve the team, to help them to become self-organising, to help the rest of the organisation interact and work well with the team, and to work with a product owner. Those are the three main parts of the Scrum Master role. And the Kaizen coach, in addition to that, helps coach the people within the team, and that's a definition that we've got here at Freedom. The thing here though is that these are long-standing teams, and the Kaizen coach is less interested, is agnostic to the work that the teams pull in, because we want the teams to own that, and the product owner is really interested in how the work, what the work is that the people do. The Kaizen coach is focusing on coaching people, the individuals and interactions, and of course the values of Scrum, being focus, openness, courage, commitment and respect. On the other hand, here at Freedom, not everything we do is Scrum teams with work feeding in. Sometimes we have distinct projects. A definition of a project is an endeavour with a distinct start and finish. So for our disaster recovery project that we're currently doing, this is a case in point that Nidhi is leading. Now that team are on 1 week iterations. They're almost following Scrum. Every week they plan the week's work, they set a goal, they meet each other daily to work out the 24-hour plan, and at the end of the week they demonstrate the value they've created and then run a retrospective to see how they can improve. In essence, that's Scrum. So here we've got the confusion and the overlap, because here's a project coordinator leading a Scrum team, and yet we know Kaizen coaches lead Scrum teams too. So the difference is this: we need a project coordinator to have a focus on the work, the project itself, and then bring the people to the work and enable the people to work together. If the people work together for long enough, they will start to develop practices and habits which we can subsequently coach, in which case we may have a Kaizen coach to come in and work with the people to become high-performing teams. But the emphasis of the project coordinator is to focus on the work, to ensure that we meet the time, scope and quality attributes that we've agreed with our clients. It's also somebody who's involved in the governance, in mandating and chartering the project, and ensuring that the communications and the risk management are all handled effectively. This differs from a Kaizen coach. The Kaizen coach focuses on the people. The project coordinator focuses on the work. I hope this gives you a high-level explanation of the difference between a Kaizen coach and a project coordinator, both of which can fill the role of a Scrum Master. I'm going to be writing some articles and blogs, and there will be some more videos to explain this in more depth and to explain what the tactical delivery practice is, why we exist, and what we intend to do this year. Thank you.